Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by getting both devices ready. Make sure your phone and laptop are on the same Wi-Fi network, and check the band if you have dual band routers. Once connected, enable screen casting on your mobile or turn on developer casting features and grant local network permission. Now open the laptop's receiver app or system screen share setting so it's discoverable. This simultaneous readiness prevents handshake failures, and lets you move straight into selecting the device to mirror from your phone. Next, you'll actually link the devices. On your phone, open Cast, Screen Mirroring, or AirPlay, and select the laptop that you made discoverable. When a pairing code appears, accept it on the laptop to authenticate the session, and allow any requested permissions like microphone if you plan to stream audio. Once connected, check receiver settings and adjust resolution or bitrate to balance latency versus image quality. Lower bitrate reduces lag. Higher resolution improves clarity. Make sure to disable battery saver on phone so the session remains stable. Finish by optimizing the view and dealing with common hiccups. Lock your phone orientation or choose full screen on the laptop for consistent framing, and mute notifications or close intensive apps to free CPU and reduce stutter. If audio or video drops, restart the Wi-Fi on both devices, toggle airplane mode briefly on the phone, then reconnect. If wireless fails repeatedly, switch to USB tethering or a direct HDMI adapter as a wired fallback. This bypasses network latency and usually resolves stubborn connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.